Lacquer was widely used in Japan as far back as 7000 BCE as a valuable decoration. When thickly applied, it produces a deep, glossy red or black. It was also used to strengthen and repair clay and wooden objects, such as hunting bows and pottery. The lacquerware objects unearthed from the Shimoyakebe Archeological Remains date to the late Jōmon period, 2400 to 1200 BCE, and many are displayed here. Excavation of the site produced not only lacquerware itself, but also tools used for lacquer harvesting and application, indicating that lacquer groves were cultivated in the area. Among these items were the remains of thin trees, with cuts made for harvesting lacquer, displayed here. The small size of the trees, many of which are less than 6 centimeters in diameter, indicates that they were cut down as part of a thinning process that was necessary for maintaining a healthy grove. Horizontal cuts were made in the trunks to harvest the valuable lacquer before each tree was chopped down. The trees were then repurposed into wooden posts, such as the ones in this exhibit. The horizontal cuts made to collect lacquer are still clearly visible today. Other lacquer-related objects found at the Shimoyakebe Archeological Remains include vessels for collecting and storing lacquer, a stone for grinding color pigments, and seashells used as pallets for the lacquer.